Oh, word? By who? Extreme Beauty Factor? Duh. Who is that? Is she any good? Girl, what? You ain't know? Well, let me tell you. Wait, hold up. It's the Extreme Beauty Factor.
Let me go for one day. Let me lose myself again. Give me something for the pain. Always trying to pretend that I'm not living just a lie. Broken heart and shattered lives. Let me go for one day. Let me lose myself. Oh, I knew how this would end. Oh, I knew that it would die, that we would come to this, that we would say goodbye. Someone help me see it. Someone help me free this feeling. Someone help me see it. Someone help me free this feeling. Don't wanna think about the past. I'm crying out behind a mask. So give me something for the pain. I wanna lose myself again. Please get out of my mind. Just get out of my sight. Let me go for one day. Let me lose myself. Oh, I knew how this would end. How I knew that it would die, that we would come to this, that we would say goodbye.
Hey guys, be careful with that Morphe palette because that thing is potent. Do you see that black mark that got in my face? I had to get it corrected for y'all guys, okay? But I hope y'all guys are enjoying the makeup tutorial. I told y'all guys that I will be putting out more, but our blog will be coming up soon. But I just want to throw this one up here first. But I hope y'all guys are enjoying it. Love y'all guys and talk to y'all soon.
Love in the open, daydreaming, hoping, melting in our make-believe new worlds. Whispering winds bring the remembrance that you're my girl. No shame.
Hey guys, that lipstick that y'all see, oh, that thing was like butter. I'm telling y'all, I found that at Ross. And all I know is it got BC on it or whatever. But if I find out any more information, I'll link it in the description box below. And guys, please do me a favor. Please like, share, and subscribe. Push the notification bell so you can get notified next time I put a banging makeup tutorial like this up. Alright guys, thank you. I love you.
Been along the road, everything seems slow. I feel so empty inside my heart. On these crazy thoughts, but the love you've got ain't driving me insane, you know. Cause you mean so much to me. I don't wanna break everything you see, cause this means so much to me. Everything we've been through, cause you mean so much to me. I don't wanna break everything you see, cause this means so much to me. Everything